Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Yeah, so guys, today, can you see the code? It's got how many numbers? It's got 5 because it's Helen. In UK Foot 9, there are two toughest predators, two toughest presenters. It's Helen, it's Christy. Those two, when you're approaching them, you must actually apply every strategy that you have because they are tough. I know that they are very, very, especially Helen is one of the best presenters who's tough. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I start at 2:15. Remember these codes, I break them the same way, but those ones at the bottom, I break them in a different way. Okay, so guys, 2:15 is the first code. Here I'm going to add and subtract only. It's addition and subtraction. So it's 2 plus 15 is 17. 2 minus 15 is 13. Another thing, I spin now and say 21 plus 5 is 26. 21 minus 5 is 16, if I'm not mistaken. It's 16. Should be 21 minus 5 should be 16. Yes. Am I correct? It's 16. Okay. So this is how you practice codes with 3 digits. And then you're going to add everything inside here. 2 plus 1 plus 5. That's an 8. So either way, we have a 15 there. We have a 25, we have a 21, we have a 12. So you've created a cycle of numbers that are possible to be dropping. Okay, so Helen, she repeats numbers like nobody's business. I'll show you something when I'm done. Okay, but there's a number that is missing that we're actually waiting for to drop. Okay, so with the second code is 140. When it's 140, we only subtracted 8. 1 minus 40 is 39. 1 plus 40 is a 41. Okay, and then we have 40 as well. We have 14. We have 1 4. They split also. So the second code is these numbers. Then we go to the third one, which says 138. Yeah, but that lady is tricky, Helen. The way she cracks their code. And then here, there we go. We're going to spin and say 31.8. So we see exactly which numbers we have. As you can see, we have an 18 there. We have a 38 there. We have a 1338, yes. We have a 31. So now we're going to say 1 plus 38 is a 39. 1 minus that is a 37. And then we say 13 plus 8 is 13 plus 8 should be 22. 13 minus 8, that should be 5. Okay. Sometimes with Helen, you can just take this number as 138 like this, or 13.8 and bring it to us. Then she crush us. What else? Because she's very tricky and clever, that one, when it comes to breaking the codes. Or she can just pick the 18, you understand? So let's go now to our quad for these dangerous ones. It's 1695. Here we have a 16. We have a 19. We have a 15 or a 5. We're not done yet. Then we're going to say 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 should be 25. 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. Am I right? Yes, 7. And then we say 16 plus 5, 21. Do you see now that 21 is going to break? 16 minus 5 is an 11. I want to crack it that way, like what I did exactly yesterday. And then now, because this number is above the comma, you see 95. Because the 16 is on the side, you can see it, but 95 is something else. So what we do, they add 9 plus 5. We going to get a 14. This is how I want to break this code, like, because I want it to give us more numbers. Okay, and then we go to code 3, 6, 7, 3. Tricky one. So here, if we spin, we'll get a 39, 7, 3, which still give us the 36 there, the 37, the 33, 36, 37, 33. Okay, we're not done yet. There's this number inside, the middle number, 6, 7. If you add that number, it gives us a what? It gives us a 13. A 13 dropped last night and a 31. So we're going to expect maybe a repeat on one or two numbers there. Then when you're done, you come here, you put your codes together, 16, 9, 5, 36, 7, 3. You now do what? Add. Before we draw, I'm going to say 1 plus 6, 7, plus 9. So it's like 9 plus 5, it's a 14, 20, 21. So it means 21 is a banker. Because if I add these numbers, they give me a number. It means that number is a bank. In the second code, I'm going to say 3 plus this is a 10, 16, 19. So 19 or 16 must drop today and 21. So either way you can just, and this code is very important. It's the one that comes up with the bonuses at the bottom. It's very, very important because it always gives us the bonuses. After then you draw your code, because when you have to draw, you see there's a 35, there's a 13. It's now showing us that the 13 might repeat. And then here, because there's a double 6, which can't be 66, we're going to add 6 plus 6, we get a 12, which is a 21. And then here we say 9 plus 6. Here 9 plus 6, it gives us a what? A 16 that I was talking about. I just think it's 12, 16, 18, 35. If this number comes as a 4 number like this, I damage UK49. Okay, so do you see how these codes are sitting? You have to be very, very careful when you are breaking these codes. Because if I come back again and say 1, 6, 9, 5, 3, 6, 7, 3. Check this out. The only smallest numbers is 1 to 3. It's 1, 3, only. So it means you have to create numbers from this. It's a 16. It's a 39, which is a 36. It's a 37. Then there's a 35. So now I don't know if she has to maybe trick us and bring the 9. Instead of that, you can take the 9 down there. It's all about being creative on what we do. Understand? And then now when I check yesterday's results, I see that 19 came twice. So this is what I normally do. I add up those numbers, then I'll get the proper number like 38. So we can expect a number like 38 to repeat in this draw. Thank you very much, guys. Today is a Saturday, so that's why I gave you the code earlier, so you guys can gather up your stuff and see what you can do. So for those of you who want the book, here are the details. Thank you very much. Enjoy.